Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I've been using on my face to help clear my skin up. I've been suffering from a ton of little breakouts for the past few months. And ever since I've been using this as my holy grail, my skin has been doing really good. Not as much breakouts, which I've never had before. Now, since I'm going to be showing you guys, well, let me just show you guys. So the first thing that we're going to need is some aloe vera. So this is the aloe vera plant, and what we're gonna do is cut a little piece off that we're gonna use on our face after we're done washing it. And aloe has a ton of amazing benefits, a ton of antioxidants, a ton of nutrients, and it's usually used to like treat burns and really sensitive areas. So guys, this is our best friend. This is pure baking soda. It's from Arm & Hammer. You can use any brand that you want, generic, fancy, whatever. It's super cheap. This was 99 cents. Oh, and by the way, the aloe was 179. We know baking soda has a ton of different uses. It is so good for anti-inflammatory, and it really does cleanse amazing, and it's good for inflammation. That was a long intro, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So I have this rag right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove everything. And I'm gonna go just like rinse this off really quick. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the face is clean. We're gonna grab our baking soda. We're gonna pour some into our hand. Okay, a decent amount. I kind of run through these. Whew. Okay. So this is what we're doing here. Turn that into a paste, and it's literally all you need. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply our aloe, and then we're done. We're gonna just go ahead and, like I said, we're gonna take that aloe, and this is what it looks like, super slimy. And we're just gonna extract all that gel and really rub it into our skin. And like I said, this is under a $3 skincare routine. So listen, no excuses. Let this sit on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help somebody out. Like I said, get your skin right. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.